Hi, girls and boys. So today we have a story about a shark. And our story is called Don't Eat the Teacher. Hurry up, Sammy, his mother called. You'll be late. Sammy dived downstairs for his breakfast. It was his first day at school and he was very, very excited. But when Sammy became too excited, he had the unfortunate habit, as all young sharks do, of biting things. Sammy opened his mouth and... crunch! Oh, Sammy, complained his mother, don't eat the table. Sorry, Mom, blushed Sammy. He grabbed his school bag, kissed his mother, and swam out the door. Be a good boy, Sammy, cried his mother. Sammy and his dad drove down the street to Sammy's new school. In the playground, a group of children were playing tag. Excellent, cried Sammy, and dashed off to join in. You're it, shouted a shrimp. You're it, cried a cod. You're it, howled a haddock. You're it, you're it, you're it. Sammy opened his mouth and... crunch! Oh, Sammy, the children moaned, don't eat your school friends. Sorry, blushed Sammy. He hiccuped politely and out swam a little fish. Am I still it? He says. The bell rang and all the fish swam off to their classroom. Good morning, children, beamed the teacher. Let's start the day with a really good story. Excellent, thought Sammy, flopping his tail in excitement. Here we are, said the teacher. Here's a story we can really sink our teeth into. Sammy opened his mouth and... crunch! Oh, Sammy, cried the children, don't eat our story. Sorry, blushed Sammy. Never mind, smiled the teacher. Let's try some painting instead. Splish, splosh, Sammy loved painting. He was so excited it was hard not to nibble his paintbrush. Finished, he called. Sammy, that's lovely, said the teacher. It looks good enough to eat. Sammy opened his mouth and... crunch! Oh, Sammy, groaned the teacher. Sorry, blushed Sammy. Never mind, said the teacher, giving him a cuddle. It's music now. Music and movement, called the teacher. As I play the piano, I want you all to pretend you are seaweed, swaying in a gentle current. I'm seaweed, thought Sammy, drifting and stretching as elegantly as he could. The current is getting stronger, sang the teacher. The children started to dance even faster. Sammy started to get excited. Now you are a storm, the teacher cried. A terrible storm, destroying everything in its path. I'm a terrible storm, Sammy yelled. He opened his mouth and... crunch, crunch, crunch! Sammy, stop, yelled the children. Don't eat the... Oh dear, thought Sammy as he got ready to go home. I didn't mean to. Tomorrow I'll be good. Really, really good. Hello, darling, said Sammy's mother at the school gate. How was your first day at school? Excellent, said Sammy. And what did you learn today? Lots, blushed Sammy. Don't eat the stories, don't eat the paintings, don't eat the classroom, and don't eat the teacher. And then the little fish on the side says, don't eat your teacher. So I hope you boys and girls enjoyed this story. So now I want you to think about, what do you think Sammy will do the next day? Is he going to keep on eating more things? Will he finally learn his lesson and stop? I don't know. What do you think? Let us all know.